Are you feeding wild animals over here? Nope. I made them. Look, paper plate, kitty, and lion. What? I want to make one too. Can I make a sheep? A super fluffy one?
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're turning those snack plates into silly faces, spinning wheels, and wild animals. Let's go!
These were supposed to be for cookies. But what if they turn into something way cooler? Let's see. One big circle, two triangle ears, ta-da. Kitty face plate. Meow. Oops! Even the squirrel thought it was real. Now I'll make a lion. Cut fringes around the edge, roar. And now, the ultimate face-off between Queen Kitty and King Lion. Saro! Are you feeding wild animals over here? Nope. I made them. Look, paper plate, kitty, and lion. What? I want to make one too. Can I make a sheep? A super fluffy one? Go for it. Here, this one's got cotton stuck on the back. Perfect for sheep wool. This sheep needs extra fluff. Maybe I can stick pom-poms all over its face? Nice! And don't forget the tiny legs, like little sticks poking out. And a hill! I'll draw it jumping over a hill with flowers and a rainbow behind it. Yes! Rainbow sheep on the hill. That sounds like a superhero team.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of these projects would best show the versatility of a paper plate? Option A. Painting a paper plate to make a colorful fish. Option B. Folding the plate in half and putting it in a drawer. Option A is correct. Versatility means using something in many creative ways. Which picture shows a paper plate turned into a craft project? Option A, a stack of empty paper plates on a table. Option B, a paper plate shaped and painted like a sun with rays. Look for creativity, not just food. Excellent. Option B is correct. Which craft project shows how paper plates can be used in 3D art? Option A, a paper plate folded and cut into a standing animal model. Option B, a paper plate flat and colored like a pizza. Good job! Option A is correct. 3D means the craft pops up, not flat. Paper plates can only be used for one kind of craft project. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Paper plates can be cut, folded, painted, glued, and more. You can create masks, animals, and even flowers using paper plates. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we might turn into jungle animals roar. Don't miss it! Until then, keep your paper plates handy and your imaginations wild. See you soon, mask makers! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.